Welcome to Gate Pro. In today's lecture, we will be continuing our discussion on engineering mechanics. We will solve a few problems based on Lamis theorem. So, if we talk about the Lamis theorem, the Lamis theorem states that, let's say, three vectors P, Q, and R are acting at a point, then the resultant is 0, or the system is in equilibrium, which means that if these are the vectors, that's P, Q, and R. Let's say they are at an angle alpha, beta, and gamma. Then by Lamis theorem, mathematically we can write this as P by sine alpha is equal to Q by sine beta is equal to R by sine of gamma. So let's solve a problem. Let's say there is a problem like this. Let's say the question, they have given you the angle as 75 degree, 150 degree, and 135 degree, and let's say these are tensions T1 and T2, and we are supposed to find those tensions T1 and T2. Given is the weight W. So from Lamis theorem we can write this is W by sine of 75 degree. W by sine of 75 degree is equal to, say we want to find T2, so divided by sine of 50 degree, T2 divided by sine of 50 degree. We know W, we can calculate these values, so if we cross multiply we would get something like W into sine of 150 degree divided by sine of 75 degree. So this, solving this equation, that is substituting W as 150 Newton, we would get an equation like this, that is equal to 78 Newton. Similarly, if say the question is something like A, B, C points, and say this is alpha angles, tension T over here, they're given the dimensions, so we can use trigonometry to find the angles. Let's say it's given as 0.8, and let's say BC is 1 mm, so we can find the angles alpha, and then say the weight W is acting in this direction, that is perpendicular direction, so this whole equation can be converted into this form, and then we can apply find the angles using trigonometry. we know this dimensions, that's 1 mm, say 1 meter, 0.8 meter, 0.8 meter, and even this is 1 meter. So we can find what alpha is or these angles are, and then we can use Lamis theorem, apply Lamis theorem, and say we know W, so we can find T. Or if we do not know T and we know W, if any of those forces are given, we can always find the other two. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video.